Natural selection. What is natural selection? It is the process that organisms or an individual plant or animal goes through to better evolve to their environment, which gives the individual a higher chance to thrive in different situations. With natural selection, there is a chance, and in most cases guaranteed, that a mutation of a genetic trait can and is the cause of change of color and behavior. One example of natural selection is the peppered moth. The peppered moth is widespread in the European continent. The moths are normally a salt and pepper color, white with black spots. But with a special genetic mutation and traits, the moths come in black with black spots. They are normally found on birch trees or any tree that is a host to lichen. Lichen is similar to moss, but is mostly white and can grow on any tree with the right environmental factors involved. But, unfortunately for the peppered moth, the British Industrial Revolution caused a big concern for the trees that the moths live on. Industrial factories created a large amount of black soot to cover the trees. This makes the white moths stand out to the birds, and the black moths are able to blend in. The moths with the black heritable traits were more in favor of survival than the white moths. Almost 30 years later, the black moths had taken over 98% of the peppered moths population. But with the 30 years came the cleaning of the trees, and later the white moths had started to come back in the same way as the black moths did. Evolution and natural selection go hand in hand. Evolution and natural selection are both combined in Darwin's theory of evolution and natural selection. Natural selection leads to evolutionary change when individuals with certain characteristics have a greater chance of survival and/or reproductive rates than other individuals in a population. Then the individual passes on their inheritable genetic characteristics to their offspring. This evolution can be a mutation or characteristic that is not normally seen or passed on. An example in humans can be eyes and hair color. Red hair with blue eyes are one of the rare genes and somewhat a gene mutation that gives these individuals a trait that can be passed on to their offsprings. In the end, natural selection is what makes most organisms live longer and pass on their genetic traits for generations to come. My name is Nicole Freeman, and thank you for watching.